Are you curious about what $1 million can buy you here in Northwest Arkansas? Well, Chelsea and I have been invited to come out to this amazing custom home built right into the mountainside. You can see the natural stone rock work behind us. And this is listed by Jennifer Thomas with Lindsey and Associates. She invited us to come out and give you a sneak peek. How would you describe this house?
Honestly, I feel like it's a natural state paradise. It's over 4,200 square feet. It was custom built in 2005 by a local architect.
Hey guys, come on in.
This modern masterpiece has 89 windows throughout the house, which gives you a real connection to nature. From every room in the house, you can see that you're surrounded by Ozark beauty. You can see the modern amenities make you feel like you're on vacation, even at home.
Really cool feature of this house is it has its own secret room. Take a look.
This property has a 2,400 square foot shop with a 480 square foot mezzanine, and it's all completely climate controlled. This home sits on 7 rolling acres of mature Ozark hardwood forest.